Hi class, as we have been doing the practical of science from last 2 days and we have been doing practical of chemical acid base and salts. Today we are doing the practical of lenses. Okay, so in this lecture we will learn about lenses and how they are different from others. Okay, so please start, sir.
This is our concave lens. This is our concave lens. What is the property? How can you identify a concave lens? Concave lens is thick at the edges and thin in the middle. Can you see it? It is thick at the edges and thin in the middle. Can you verify it?
Yes, sir.
It is thick at the edges and thin in the middle. Now we will look to convex lens. What is the property of convex lens? How can you identify a convex lens?
Thick
Convex
at the-
lens is
Thick at the edges and thin at the
thick at the middle and thin at the edges. Okay. So can you please help me identify which one is which and which one is which?
Yes, sir. This is concave mirror.
This is
And this is convex. It is convex.
okay. Now we will see through concave lens, concave mirror, plane mirror. Can you please look through it?
Yes. Yes.
What kind of images are you seeing?
Sir. Opposite. In vertical.
Inverted. You are seeing inverted image in which type of mirror?
Concave.
Concave. This is plane mirror.
Plane.
What kind of image are you seeing? Erect, virtual,
Erect.
erect, virtual, and the distance of object from the mirror is equal to distance of image from the mirror.
From the mirror. Yes, sir.
If you raise your right hand, which hand will your image raise?
Left. Left.
Left.
Yes.
This is called lateral inversion. This is called lateral inversion.
Sir.
This is what kind of mirror? Can you verify? This is convex mirror. Convex mirror. You can clearly see you are seeing a smaller image. You are seeing in a smaller image. This type of mirror is also used in the vehicles. To
Yes,
see
sir.
the vehicles passing besides you. Okay? Have you seen it in the vehicles
Yes, sir.
of your? Please verify. The image you are seeing is smaller or larger,
Smaller.
or it is of same size? Smaller or what?
Smaller.
It is always smaller.
Smaller.
So convex mirror always forms
Smaller.
image.
So we can make CV, C convex, B vehicle. It means
Yeah.
for remembering. CV.
Can you identify this mirror?
Plane mirror.
Plane mirror. Very good. Can you identify this one?
Concave mirror.
Concave. Why?
Concave.
Because you are
Yes.
seeing an inverted image
Yes,
of
sir.
yourself. Your head is inverted.
Inverted. Ulta.
Downwards.
Downwards.
Okay.
Okay.
And this mirror?
Plane mirror.
Plane mirror. Very good. This mirror?
Convex mirror.
Convex mirror. Why?
Because this image is small.
Smaller. Very good. Can you identify what kind of lens is this?
Convex lens.
Convex. Why? Because
Because
it is thin in the thin at the edges and thick in the middle. Can you verify, Noman? Can you please verify which type of lens is this?
Thin
Concave.
in the middle.
Thin in the middle and thick at the edges.
Edges.
Thin in the middle and thick at the edges.
Edges.
So, what is the name of this lens? Can you please tell? Concave. Concave. Very good. I hope you have understood which type of lenses are those and which type of mirror are these.
So the
Happy?
purpose of,
Yes, sir.
So the purpose of this video is to just to close class to explain the differentiation between
Differentiation. The purpose is to a child can now easily differentiate between concave mirror, convex mirror, and plane mirror just by looking at the image formation. How the image is formed, now you can easily verify which type of mirror is this. Okay. Can you please mention one use of concave mirror? Dentists use it to see the enlarged image of your
Teeth.
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 Very good. And convex mirror. convex mirror is used for which purpose?
In car.
In
Or
vehicles.
in vehicles.
You might have seen written objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. The objects you are seeing in your vehicle are actually closer than they appear to be. So you need to be very careful while traveling, while riding a vehicle. Okay. And these were the lenses.
Lens.
Can you please mention any one use of convex lens?
It
Convex
uses
lens?
very magnifying glass.
Magnifying. Yeah. You
For
can
large-
magnify.
for
For
large-
example,
for large
you
image.
will be seeing an enlarged image of the pencil. Are you able to see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you able to see it?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Whereas if we look through this, it appears smaller in
Smaller
size.
size.
So this is what
Concave.
kind of lens?
Concave.
Concave lens. Concave lens will form a smaller image of the object. You can see this is forming smaller. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And it is appearing erect. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
This pencil is appearing erect.
Erect.
I hope you must have understood all the concept.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.